Alright, so for today's video I'm going to be cutting open this Sumatran Agate from Indonesia. So this is a mostly whole 8 nodule. It's got a couple big old fractures, one here, and then looks like it kind of bit of an old fracture here. It's hard to tell. And then up over here we got a big fracture. So I'm going to try to cut in between them, get as much of a full pattern as we can. It's going to be a little bit tricky because we do have some fractures, as you guys can see that fracture right there. And I can't remember if there's another one I was looking at too, I think right here. I'm going to try my best to avoid those, but I have a feeling this one's going to have a few fractures in it, but we're going to go ahead and try our best to cut it and then see what we got inside of it. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, so I went ahead and cut it, and it's my first reveal for one of these. First time I've cut one, so let's see what we got, Josiah. Oh, wow! Oh, that is awesome. There's a lot of fractures in there. I kind of figured there'd be some. But that is awesome. We got a nice full pattern there. Look at those spots in there. That banding in the center is just... I can't see if we have any parallax. Yeah, maybe we got a little bit there in the center. But look at all the spots in there. That is nuts. Wow, that is pretty. So pretty. I would say that's not bad for my first cut of one of these. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is just beautiful. That's awesome. Well, I hope you guys liked this little video. I'll try to get these polished up as best I can. Might take me a little while. These big ones tend to take a while to polish. But, and I actually have one more of these that I think looks like it might be even better than this one. I hope it will be. But as awesome as this one is, I'm not complaining. I got one really nice cut already. So hope you guys like this, and we'll see you guys on the next one.